So here I am standing in front of Devil's Backbone Brewery where I stayed last night. Is where we tent, trying to hitch a ride back into the trailhead. We've been here for about 10 minutes, no luck yet. Hopefully people will pick us up soon. Lots of traffic, but no takers. Wish us luck. Good morning, team. As you saw, we got a hitch back to the trailhead, and we are doing 14.2 today to a shelter close to Waynesboro, where we're going to be nearing tomorrow. So that's the goal. There's a possibility that I may get off the trail for a couple days. I'll explain that later on, but right now the main focus is to make it to the shelter at a reasonable time. It's supposed to rain, so don't be surprised if the next video segment I do it's gonna be raining. But as always, it's a great day to be out here. Don't regret anything, and let's get to hiking. Another beautiful water source, but I already have water. Oh, look at that. I love how the rock is super smooth. It's beautiful. I just took a little side trail to this overlook. Look at this. Beautiful. And I feel very lucky that the rain is holding off even though clouds are low. Kind of spooky down there. Hopefully I won't drop my phone. See, I need that type of flat to hike, not these crazy mountains back there. Oh, so pretty. I bet this is what Tinker's. There we go. Hi team. I'm already in my tent. Coming to town later than I usually like. Because we left the brewery like around 9 o'clock, and then we started hiking around 9:30 after we got a hitch. Today was interesting. We were hiking in the clouds again, which was nice. Got to see some really nice views and did a 14.2 day today. So that's exciting. Besides that, going into town in the morning, resupply, and get ready for the not the Smokies, oh my god, the Shenandoahs, my god. And hopefully we'll be in Hyper's Ferry in about 2 weeks, which is the unofficial psychological midpoint of the AT. So, besides that, I've been a little down because I mentioned I received some really bad news. I'll go into detail when I feel ready. Besides that, another great day in the AT. I hope everybody has a good evening, and I will see you in the morning.